Hi everyone, and welcome to this demo on how to lock tokens using Bitbond Token Tool. First, head to tokentool.bitbond.com, connect your preferred wallet, and choose the desired blockchain from supported networks. Then, navigate to the Create Token Locker section. Provide the contract address of the token you wish to lock and click Continue. Now, click on Lock Token followed by Create Locker. You need to specify token lock by inserting the amount of tokens you wish to lock and setting an unlock date. Tokens will remain locked until the unlock date is reached. Note that this is your last opportunity to check if you set the right parameters. After reviewing your information, click Approve and confirm the transaction. Accept the terms and conditions, click on Lock and confirm the transaction in your wallet again to pay fees. You'll receive a link displaying your locker details and confirmation that your tokens are successfully locked. In order to withdraw locked tokens once the unlock date is reached, click on the settings wheel icon from the Create Token Locker menu and choose the Withdraw option to transfer the tokens from the locker contract back to your wallet. You can also verify your token locker source code using the Verify Source Code button, making the smart contract publicly displayed on the Block Explorer. If unsupported tokens were mistakenly sent to the token locker contract, you can withdraw them using the Recover Unsupported Tokens button. And that's it. You now learned how to securely lock and unlock tokens, increasing your project's credibility in front of your investors. Bitbond Token Tool, tokens made easy.